How to back up Fire Kirin data. First of all, open the Fire Kirin game and go to the main screen or game lobby. Since Fire Kirin mainly supports backing up your data through Facebook, you need to make sure you are signed in with your Facebook account. If you haven't signed in yet, tap on the sign in with Facebook button and log in using your Facebook credentials. Once logged in, your game data including coins, progress, and achievements will be linked to your Facebook account automatically. This way, if you uninstall the game or switch devices, you can easily restore your data by signing in again with the same Facebook account. Make sure to always use the same Facebook account whenever you want to recover or backup your FireKirin data. Currently, FireKirin doesn't offer other backup options like Google Play or email. Now you know how to backup and restore your FireKirin game data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.